Hello. Started my second ever YouTube clip. This is the trailer build that I've been working on, which started out as a caravan, but one of the really old ones where it had the solid base, the solid top, and you wound the handle at the front and the top went up. No canvas or anything, it was all fully solid. So the guy that I bought it off of, he bought it to make it into a motorbike trailer, but after ripping the top off and taking all the panelling off, he figured, well, he could probably buy one cheaper than what it's worth messing around with that. So I got it off of him, and my intention was to build a trailer for my dad's model train set, but he's now decided not interested anymore. So now it's back over to me to turn it into something different. So in doing this, I looked at it and thought that chassis will never pass registration. So now I've had to cut the top off. So I'll hand over to my video now so I can explain more on there. Here we go. So this is what's left of what I had. So like you can see, the frame on top there I've welded on there. It started out being one of those old caravans with the wind up, where you crank the handle at the front, it winds the solid top up. So we've got the rails there with slots in them, and cables in them, pulls the top up. What I did was we've rebuilt all this top section here, so that way the general idea was that when you came inside, it's low enough that my head still clears quite well, and at the back here I actually cut the back wall and put this door frame here in, so it then became a double door at the back. Now I've sort of been looking at it, and we've changed our minds because Dad doesn't want to bother with towing this around. He said like the 7x4 trailer with the boards on top are fine. And when I say it's for my dad, like he plays model trains, and it was going to be, the idea was his 4 boards would stand up on their side, like lay on their side in there, and then when he got there he could take them out the back and use them for storage and everything. But anyway, I decided I'll make it into a tool trailer, so my tradie trailer. And coming to it, I pulled it out, got it over here, looked at it and thought, don't think that angle line is really going to do the job anymore. So now what I've come to is I've actually unstitched the frame, because that is all pretty good. And this frame here, I'm going to keep the axle, but the rest of the frame is going in the scrap heap. I'm going to end up replacing the hydraulic brakes with electronic, with 6 stud hubs, so they match the wheels that are on the Patrol. So this is the start of my build for my tradie trailer. Inside here you can see we've got the angled front, which the specific reason for that was so it's a bit more aerodynamic. But if you can see here, the roof beams are actually got an angle, a curve to them. There is actually a specific reason for that, and if you're smart enough, you're going to tell what I'm going to tell you anyway. The reason for those being like that is because when the roof sheets are on, the water will run off. That's the whole point, because when I started building it, it was with the idea that it was going to be living outside its whole life, so that's why that got done. But anyway, at the moment it's down to this point. I now have to get some more square tubing to make a new chassis. So that will be happening. In the back here, where I've got this double door section, you can see I've left basically the bits, open bits that were already in the back here. Whole point of that is because my intention was to leave the panels sunken in and put the tail lights in. So that way they would be sitting back in from the frame. Now what's going to happen is the tail lights will be sitting on the back, and I'm just going to do my door hinges so that when the doors are open they won't hit. But at the moment that's where it's sitting. So please feel free to like and subscribe, and as I said, hopefully my videos will get better because this is my first one. But yeah, we'll see where we go from here. Thanks for watching.